Hello friends, today in this video we will learn to make sentences. Let's start. School. I go to school every day. Book. I have a new book. Pen. My pen is blue. Bottle. This is my water bottle. Bag. My school bag is heavy. Mango. Mango is a sweet fruit. Teacher. My teacher is very kind. Car. My father has a red car. Clock. The clock is on the wall. Apple. I eat an apple every day. River. The river is wide and deep. Friend. My friend helps me in class. House. My house is very beautiful. Sun. The sun rises in the east. Sky. The sky is clear today. Cat. The cat is sleeping. Rain. I love to play in the rain. Toy. This is my favorite toy. Chair. I sit on the chair. Door. Please close the door. And doll. Now you need to make sentence on doll and comment below. So friends, this was today's video. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel.